Is there going to be enough rain? Is there going to be too much rain? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, introduce yourself in the comments below. I'd love to meet you. And hi, I'm Allie. So today we are doing that garden update that I promised you guys, because you know, October is a perfect time to do a summer garden update, right? Who said that? No, I'm sorry. Anyway, let's get this tour started. So even though we got a lot of rain, we still got a lot of good stuff. We got lettuce, and with that lettuce, I made burrito bowls. And if you guys are interested in the recipe for that, I'll be happy to do a video. It's so good. So in this planter, nothing really worked out, so I decided to grow a pea, and it grew up nice and tall and gave me lots of peas. I'm so happy with it. I love sweet peas. Oh, that's good. That's sweet. And the basil came in so beautifully. I got tons of it. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be using it in something. And the bees also loved the basil. Now this little bugger was the bane of my existence this summer. She laid so many caterpillar eggs. I got so many caterpillars in my cabbages and my kale. It was so annoying. I got a lot of damage. There she is now. I know she felt that. See, look at the damage. Oh, it's just so disheartening, but it's okay. We still got a lot of cabbage, and we also got tomatoes to grow. I was so excited when I saw these flowers and I saw these little blossoms come in. I was so happy. But then we had a tropical storm roll in. I was so worried we were gonna lose some of the tomatoes and maybe the sweet peas, but it all settled down. It was all good. Everything survived. And we even got some mushrooms growing because it rained so much. Now the tomatoes, it's October now. They're still green. So I'm gonna add some fertilizer and hopefully give them a little kick to like really get them to ripen, because it's starting to get cold at night and I'm worried we're not gonna get any. And if you guys remember that one nasturtium seedling that I was able to germinate, well, it actually grew into a flower. It stayed small, but it actually grew. I also have some candy tuft fairy mix, cosmos, and daisies, as well as I grew lots of mint. So there you have it. There's the garden. I'm really actually pretty happy with how everything turned out, considering how much rain we got. I'm kind of disappointed that we don't have tomatoes yet. I mean, it is October. I'm getting a little nervous that we're not gonna get any. Hey, Allie. Yeah? You should go take another look at those tomatoes. Is this some kind of joke? No, seriously. Go look at them. They're starting to blush. All right. Oh my god, she wasn't kidding. They're actually changing colors. We're gonna get tomatoes this year, guys. I feel kind of bad that I didn't believe her. You can go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share it with your friends so that the algorithm knows to share it with as many people as possible. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.